Hello students, I am Surbhi Gupta and today we are discussing the chapter Triangle and its properties of class 7. In this we are covering two topics today. The first is angle sum property and the second is exterior angle property. So let's start with the first property. The first property states that the sum of three angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. That means suppose a triangle is given to you, triangle ABC. So these are the three angles of a triangle. Always the sum of three angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. This is also known as angle sum property. We can call it as angle sum property. Now the second property is exterior angle property. What this property states? The exterior angle of a triangle is always equal to sum of interior opposite angles. That is, suppose a triangle is given to you A, B, C, and these are the interior angles of the triangle A, B, C, and this is exterior angle 4. This is on the external side of the triangle, so this is the exterior angle. So this angle is equals to sum of interior but opposite, not adjacent, opposite angles. So angle 1 and angle 2 are opposite angles, so this is equals to sum of these two angles. Angle 4 is equals to sum of interior opposite angles. Now we will do questions based on these two properties. First is angle sum property. So we are doing a question based on angle sum property. So the question given to you is, if the three angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3, then find the three angles. The three angles of a triangle are given in this ratio and you have to find out all the three angles. So whenever the angles are given in ratio, you have to convert that ratio into x. So let the three angles be x, 2x, 3x. You can write it as 1x also because 1:2:3. So 1x into 2x into 3x, these are the three angles. Now we know that angle sum property states that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So 1x plus 2x plus 3x is 180 degree. Angle sum property, right? So what is 1x plus 2x plus 3x? 3, 4, 5, 6. 6x. When this 6 in multiplication from left hand side goes to the right hand side, it comes into division. It comes out to be 30 degree. Now find out the angles. Don't forget to find out the angles because sometimes a student do the question till here and they don't find out the final angles. So you have to find out the angles also. X, 2x, 3x. X is 30 degree, 2x is 2 into 30 degree, that is 60 degree, and 3x is 3 into that is 90 degrees. So the three angles are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Coming down to the second question. The second question states that in a triangle the exterior angle is equals to 130 degree and this exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angles which are equal, but we don't know the interior opposite angles. We have to find the value of x. We know from the exterior angle property that exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So what is exterior angle? 130 degree. What are interior opposite angles? Angle x plus angle x. 130 degree equals to twice of angle x. This 2 comes to this side and division. So what angle x comes? Angle x comes out to be 65 degree. So this angle is equals to 65 degree and this angle is equals to 65 degree. And what is 65 plus 65? 130 degree. That means the property which we are stating is correct. Now the next question is the two interior angles of a triangle are A, B, C is a triangle given to you, and the two interior angles are 35 degree, 65 degree, and you have to find out the third angle which is not given to us. So what we will do? The angle sum property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Don't forget to write the reason. Angle sum property. Right? What is angle A? 35 degree. What is angle B? 65 degree. What is angle C? X. What is 35 plus 65? 100. When this 100 from left hand side goes to the right hand side, it comes into negative sign. So x degree becomes 180 minus 100. So x comes out to be 80 degree. 180 minus 100, 80 degree. So what is this? 80 degree. So in this way you can find out the question with the angle sum property. Now the next question is, if one angle of a triangle is equal to, if one of the angle of a triangle is equal to sum of other two angles, then what kind of triangle it is? In the question they are saying, if one angle of a triangle is equal to sum of other two angles, then what kind of a triangle is it? Suppose I have taken this triangle, right? this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3. Suppose I say angle 2 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 3. This is given to you that one angle is equal to sum of other two angles, right? So this is angle 2 and this is equal to sum of other two angles, right? Now let's take these two angles as x. These two angles as x. So this angle will be twice of x, right? If this angle is equals to sum of these two angles, then if these are x and x, this is twice of x, right? Now this is 2x, this is x. And what is the sum of all the angles of a triangle? 180 degree. 4x equals to 180 degree. X equals to 180 degree divided by 4. 45 degree. That means if this angle is equals to 45 degree, this angle equals to 45 degree, this is 45 plus 45, 90 degree. So this is your final answer. In this way, you can find out some more examples related to angle sum property and exterior angle property. I hope this session is clear to you. Thank you very much.